Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain three important costing methods used in production: job costing, batch costing, and process costing. These methods help businesses understand their cost and improve profit. Every business need to know how much it costs to produce goods. If a company does not calculate cost properly, it may set the wrong selling price. This can lead to losses or lower profits. So, choosing the correct costing method is very important. Job costing is used when every product or project is different. Each job is done according to customer requirements, so the cost is calculated separately for each job. This method gives clear information about the cost and profit of each individual job. In job costing, we prepare a separate cost sheet for each job. It includes the cost of materials, labor, and overhead expenses. For example, in furniture making or car repair, every job is different. So job costing is the best method for each work. Batch costing is used when similar products are made in groups called batches. Instead of calculating cost for each item, we calculate cost for the whole batch. In batch costing, the total cost of the batch is calculated first, then it is divided by the number of units to find the cost per unit. This method is useful in industries where production is repeated, such as medicines, clothes, and bakery products. Process costing is used when production is continuous and products are identical. In this method, costs are collected for each stage or process instead of each unit. In process costing, production happens in stages. First in raw material, then semi-finished goods, and finally finished goods. This method is used in industries like oil refining, food production, and chemicals. To summarize the difference, job costing is for unique work, batch costing is for group production, and process costing is for continuous production. In conclusion, choosing the right costing method is very important for any business. It helps improve efficiency, control costs, and increase profit. With proper costing, businesses can make better decisions and grow successfully. Thank you.